So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel information and educational video. So here is a very important update coming regarding the JAC Delhi Counseling 2021. As I told you, there will be a spot round. So it is happening now. That is the schedule for a spot round and the eligibility criteria for that already has been announced on the official website. So I am here to provide you all the detail regarding the spot round so that you will not do any type of mistake. Once you do mistake here, you might lose your money or you might not get the best out of your rank. So it is very advisable to do it very carefully. So I am here to provide you all the details. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get the complete information regarding the JAC Delhi counseling and other counseling, other entrance exam also in this channel only. So first of all, I would like to inform all the student that is the spot round counseling is in offline mode. There you have to visit the counseling center. You have to do the counseling process there. You will be allowed to take one support, that is one supporting person with you. And if you are a student and if you will not able to go there physically, then you can send your one representative also. So this is the most important information. Try to listen it carefully. That is, this is an offline spot round, not online spot round. So this is offline. And one more thing I would like to inform you that if you have already got the seat, then you don't need to participate in the spot round of the counseling, because a spot round counseling vacant seat will be extracted after the upgradation round. That is, after the upgradation round, whatever the seat will be available, that will be filled through a spot round. So you don't need to participate in a spot round, because whatever the best possibility for you, you will get in the upgradation round that will be done on 21st. But if you want to participate, you can participate after that also. But the important thing is that before one day of the allotment of upgradation round, that is on 20th of December, you will able to change your choices. As I have already provided you the information in my previous video, that is you will able to rectify your mistake if you have done anything in your choice filling. So it is very advisable to do it very carefully. And so if you need counseling guidance, for that you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number, because that is the most important thing. Once you do mistake there, you might lose your money, you might lose your seat, and also you will lose one academic year. So it is very advisable, do it very carefully. So I am just suggesting you take the help of any experienced person. If you don't have, you can contact me anytime through Instagram or WhatsApp number. Once you register with me, I will guide you for everything from now till your admission is done, and also for other counseling if you are doing COMEDK counseling. So this is the update for the student who have got any type of seat. One more thing I would like to tell you, that there will be seat conversion rule applied in the spot round of the counseling, not in the upgradation round. So it is very important point, because after the seat conversion rule, your chances will be maximized. That's why the student who haven't got any type of seat, their last hope and the maximum hope is a spot round of the counseling. All the 5 institutes participate in this counseling process, that is DTU, DSEU, IIIT Delhi, IGDTUW and NSUT also. So now let's talk about the eligibility criteria for a spot round. So first of all, I would like to inform you, if you haven't done the registration for this JAC Delhi counseling in phase 1 or phase 2, then you will not able to participate in the spot round of the counseling. But if you have registered by paying 1500 and you are not possessing any type of seat now, that is you haven't got admitted any type of seat, or if you have admitted but you have rejected, then also you will able to participate in the spot round of the counseling. So no need to worry, and I have already provided you the expected cutoff for the spot round of this year JAC Delhi counseling. You can check that video in the I button as well as in the description box. All the college category wise and for Delhi and outside Delhi student cutoff has been discussed in that video. You can check that video in the I button as well as in the description box. Also you will get the link. So where the spot round counseling seat will be extracted. So after the upgradation round, whatever the seat will be available, those seats will be filled through the spot round of the counseling, as I told you previously. So now if you are thinking that there will be very less seat, then I would like to inform you that in the meantime many students are cancelling their seat because of the vacancy in other counseling as well, because there is COMEDK counseling going on, MST CT counseling is going on, and also there are so many vacancies are creating in different colleges across India due to the UGC guideline for the refund policy, as I have discussed this thing in my previous video also. So I would like to just suggest you, if you haven't got any type of seat, then you should participate in this spot round of the counseling, so as to save one academic year, but only if you do everything correctly. As I am repeating this statement again and again, because I have seen so many students in previous year who did mistake. That's why I am advising you, if you need any type of counseling guidance, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number, but only if you need counseling guidance, because for that you have to register with me. Then only I will guide you for everything from now till your admission is done, and also I will discuss with you and if possible with your parents, and I will compare all the colleges. If you have multiple colleges in different counseling, so where you should take the admission, where you should not. So all those things I will be discussing with you, so that you won't have to regret later after doing any type of mistake or after joining wrong college or wrong branch. So the spot round admission process will be done from 28th to 30th of December. This is the most important thing, that is the date for the spot round is 28th to 30th of December 2021. As I have already told you that you will be allowed to take one partner, that is one supporting person. It may be your parents or your elder brother. But if you are not able to represent yourself at the counseling center, you can send your one representative also on behalf of you, who will do the counseling for you there. So one more thing I would like to tell you, that there also you have to be very careful, as there will be seat conversion rule applied. So according to that you have to take the decision there, because no one will guide you there. There you have to take all the decision by yourself. So that's why the guidance is important. So once you register with me, I will guide you at that time also, and before also I will provide you all the details, so that you will not do any mistake there. Once you do mistake there, no one is going to help you. So next, if you talk about the document required at the time of a spot round of the counseling, so sidewise I have provided the document list, you can check. So if you have any question, doubt or problem with any type of concept related to your board exam, JEE, NEET or any other exams, then you can get the solution 24/7 with these 3 easiest steps. That is the first one, you just need to download the Philo app. The link is available in the description box. Next, you just need to do the sign up. You can use your mobile number to sign up for this app. Next, that is the last step, you just need to take the photo of your question and upload it, and thereafter within 60 seconds you will be connected to India's best educator. So download the Philo app now. Link is available in the description box. So here is most important thing is you have to make a DD, that is demand draft of 1,12,000 if you haven't paid 10,000 during the phase 2 round of the counseling. But if you have paid, then you have to do the payment of 1,02,000 only. So you have to make the DD either, or you can do the NEFT also in favor of Jack Delhi. That is the account detail is available sidewise, you can check, or you can check on official website also. Seat will be given in the order, that is first the ST student will be allowed, then SC, then OBC, then EWS, thereafter general candidate will be allowed. And there is a separate time for that I will talk later in this video. And I am repeating this statement again, that is you have to make the demand draft or you have to do the NEFT in favor of Jack Delhi before going for the spot round, because they will not give you extra time for that. And once you get any seat in the spot round, you will be treated as free student, and you will have to take the admission once you submit the fee, and there will be no refund policy for that. So here is the schedule for the upcoming events. As I told you earlier, that is on 20th of December, that is tomorrow, you will able to do the choice filling again. So if you have already done your choice filling, you can modify that choices, or you can do the choice filling freshly, but you have to do it only within tomorrow. It is one day only will be given to you for choice filling. So it is very advisable, do that very carefully, because it is very important to do the choice filling carefully, otherwise you might not get the best out of your rank. And it depends student to student. There can't be a general choice filling or general counseling for all the students, because different students have different type of personal interests, and that needs a detailed discussion. That is possible only when you contact me separately, so that I can discuss all the thing with you, and if possible with your parents, so that you will get the best out of your rank, and that will be my responsibility. So if you want, you can contact me anytime through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. So declaration of upgradation round will be done on 21st of December, as I informed you earlier. Up to 5 PM of 22nd of December, you have to take the decision based on the result of upgradation round, and you will be allowed for the spot round also, and this choice filling will be applicable for a spot round counseling as well. So it is more important to do it carefully, and you have to consider the spot round chances also, because you might get the better seat there also, because in meantime many students will cancel their seat, as I have discussed in my previous video and in this video at the start also, because in meantime and you will not able to know what are the number of seats. But once you will go for the spot round, there you will have the maximum chance of getting those seats what will be left by the different type of a student. Here is the detailed schedule for all type of category. That is single girl counseling will be done from 28th of December 9:30 onwards, that is 9:30 AM, and then for ST, then for SC, OBC, EWS and general. You can check sidewise, all the time and date has been mentioned, so you have to keep in mind that time this spot round is offline. You have to reach the counseling center. So at last I would like to inform you the counseling center, that is counseling venue, will be B.R. Ambedkar Delhi Technical University, Sahabat Daulatpur. So this is the address where you have to go, that is main Bhavana Road, Delhi. Pin code is 110042. So this is the address where you have to reach. If you are not able to reach there, you can send your representative also. So this is the update regarding the spot round of the counseling. So regularly I will try to inform you each and every point regarding the regarding the spot round of the counseling. So please try to subscribe this channel, and if you need the complete counseling guidance, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box, but only if you need the guidance, because for that you have to register with me first, then only I will guide you for everything from now till your admission is done, by discussing with you and if possible with your parents. And also you can contact me anytime whenever you will have any type of doubt in your mind. So thanks for watching this video. Again, please try to subscribe.